What's up, guys? So today I got a package for Technical Gaming, and so today I got this package in from my buddy Jeff, and I've been waiting for this thing for fucking ever. It's been 3 months. I know, not super duper long. I know some people wait years, but still, I got this thing 3 months ago, and it's finally here, and I'm just ready to unbox it. So let's get right into it. So actually, I have no idea how to open this. Oh, never mind. Okay. Bear with me, it's hard to do this with one hand. I'll be with you guys in a moment. It's open. And this mask is my 2003 Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake mask. Oh, shit. Wow. God damn. Jeff. Dude, you fucking nailed this, bro. Holy shit. Sorry for my cussing. Wow. This looks real. The hair is really nice. The hair actually reminds me of like a Michael Myers mask from like Trick or Treat Studios. It's like that type of hair. Wow, this is really nice. Wow, this is God. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna put it on. Oh wow. You could actually see the stitching. Wow, dude, this is sick. If you guys want one, a link to his Facebook will be in the description. This is $100, pretty cheap if you have that money. So let me just put this on. Wow. Hold on. Okay, obviously it doesn't fit me too well. There's kind of like me just wearing it. It doesn't fit super good, but it fits okay. It smells pretty good. Like, it smells like, latex. How do I put the smell? It smells like, I'm not sure, really. Kind of like candy. I don't know. Either way, it's pretty cool. Really detailed mask. Really detailed. Here. Wow, look at that. That's extremely nice. It looks just like the movie. Really. Really good. Really good mask. But yeah, $100. Worth it. If you guys want one, go buy one from him. Links to his Facebook in the description. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.